This man washed dishes for $4 an hour. Today, he's worth $3 million. Here's exactly what he did differently. Jorge Gonzalez came to America with $200 in his pocket and zero English. He got a job washing dishes in a New York restaurant. While everyone spent their Friday paycheck by Saturday, Jorge saved 40% of every single dollar he made. He didn't have a finance degree. He didn't have rich parents. He had one rule: pay yourself first, always. Within 2 years, he had $8,000 saved. He put it into an index fund and never touched it. He kept washing dishes, kept saving, kept investing. 14 years later, he never has to work again. 3 things Jorge did that most people never do. Number 1, he saved before he spent, not after. Number 2, he invested in boring, simple index funds, not crypto, not hot stocks. Number 3, he never upgraded his lifestyle when his income grew. That's it. No secret, no shortcut. Just discipline repeated for 14 years. Follow for more stories of ordinary people building extraordinary wealth.